Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Today we are helping a community member and her name is Tanisha, and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Tanisha. I'm getting married soon. I've dreamed of this day since I was a little girl. However, my budget is not as big as my dreams. Could you please help me recreate this beautiful bouquet so that I can use it not only for myself, but for my bridesmaids? Thank you so much for your consideration, Tanisha." Well, Tanisha, I'm not only going to show you how to make it, I'm also going to include all the links you need to get the materials to make it. And you will see that I've done a few little tweaks because I wanted to make sure that it was as organic feeling and as real feeling as possible. So I hope you like it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Emerald Green Bridal Bouquet. All right, guys, let's get to it. So let's create the base for our bouquet. We're going to do that with a straight handle bouquet holder as well as a 2 3/4 inch styrofoam cone that we're going to trim down with our foam cutter to fit into our bouquet holder nice and snug. Once we have that cut down, we're going to go ahead and attach the top of the bouquet holder to the bottom. You can also add a dab of hot glue along the rim when you are closing it up just to add that extra stability. Once all that is done, then you are ready to add your bouquet collar to it. And this can be a collar of your choice. I chose a satin one, but they have beautiful lace ones as well. You're going to attach your eucalyptus leaf stems right along the base, following the pattern of the caging all the way around your bouquet holder until you reach the very top and the very front. And then you will have complete and total coverage of your cage as well as your green styrofoam. You may notice that instead of going with like the emerald green satin roses, I instead went with some emerald green dahlias because they just have a more organic and real feeling. I really wanted this bouquet to look like you had just gone in the garden and picked it and created it. I want to show you this very simple way to create your own gem stick. So I just took some rhinestone buttons and I cut some 20 gauge floral wire down. I made a hook on one end and then I flattened that hook out to create a base. And simply added some hot glue to the back of my buttons, attached my 20 gauge floral wire and let it dry. And then you can place them wherever you would like. My actual pick part is about 6 inches long, but you can go as long as you would like. Well, Tanisha, how did we do? I hope it's met your expectations and I hope that you can use it to be a beautiful part of your wonderful day. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, please put it right down there in that comment section. I personally answer them myself. There is not a person who does it for me. With that being said, it does take me a little bit to get to them at times, but we have a fantastic DIY community here and they are ready and able to answer questions. Remember, we give you guys the plan and you take it and you make it your own. If you want to hang out with us some more, head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. You get paid to shop. Super simple. Go down to our description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. It is just that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I want to thank you first for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, so we don't take you spending time with us lightly. Also, I want to remind you to head over to our website, missplanet.com. You can get there by clicking right there in the corner or going down to the description and clicking the link. You will find hundreds of written and picture directions for most of our projects, as well as fantastic cost-saving blog posts. Don't forget, we have some fantastic Christmas projects over there too for you that are cost-effective as well as beautiful. We want to thank you again so much for hanging out with us, and that is also on our website where you make your request for a project. Please make your project request sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So if there's a project that we can help you with, head on over to our website, missplanet.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the very simple and easy steps. Well, I just want to tell you, it was a pleasure hanging out with you, and until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.